Walmart Protection Plan claims are handled through a process that starts with checking your coverage details, gathering your purchase information, and submitting the claim through the available claim channels. By the end, you'll know how the Walmart Protection Plan claim process works, what information you need before filing, and what to do if your claim is delayed or denied. The first step is confirming that your item is covered. A protection plan only applies to the issues and situations included in the plan terms, so review your coverage before starting the claim. You will usually need details connected to your purchase. This can include your receipt, order information, product details, and information about the problem with the item. Having these details ready helps prevent delays during the claim review. The next step is submitting the claim. Follow the instructions provided with your Walmart Protection Plan and provide accurate information about the product and the issue. Clear descriptions help the claim reviewer understand what happened. After submission, the claim moves through a review process. The review determines whether the reported problem matches the protection plan coverage. Additional information may be requested if the claim needs clarification. If your claim is delayed, check the status using the claim information you received. Confirm that all requested details have been provided and look for any messages asking for additional steps. If a claim is denied, review the reason given for the decision. The denial information explains whether the issue was outside the plan coverage, whether more information is needed, or whether another action is available. A common mistake is filing a claim without checking the plan terms first. Understanding what the protection plan covers helps you provide the correct information and avoid unnecessary steps. Another useful step is keeping your purchase records organized. Save your receipt, order confirmation, and protection plan details in one place so you can access them when needed. The Walmart Protection Plan claim process is mainly about three things: confirming coverage, providing accurate purchase and product information, and following up on the claim status. Each step helps the review process move smoothly. Your next step is to find your receipt and protection plan details before starting a claim. Check your coverage information, then submit the claim with complete details. If this guide helped you understand the Walmart Protection Plan claim process, like the video and subscribe for more customer support and service guides.